One of the great things about marketing is you wear so many different hats. That's why I really fell in love with it, even for myself. And I think why my students fall in love with it, because they see there's so many different options that it can take you from being, in marketing. It can take you to do social media or analytics. You could go into sales. You could go into retail management. You could own your own business. Like, there are so many different opportunities.
Okay, so your teammates have made a request. Did you hear what it was?
One of the great things about the program is the first year is a core business. So you get the aspect of all different business clusters, whether it be from an accounting perspective, an HR perspective, which really builds the foundation for our students when they come into second year and go into their discipline of marketing. With that second year, we have a number of different practical projects where we're out in the industry working with real life clients and providing that hands-on learning that we're known for. These projects take a look at all the skills that they develop in that first year, but also to that second year, like, consumer behavior and market research, advertising, even entrepreneurship, and they apply it to a project and they solve a problem, they, fulfill a need, or they really give an opportunity to local not-for-profits or local businesses where they can actually implement these after they're finished. As a student, you put on all those hats when you're here and you get to actually try it out and learn it and see what you like.
A lot of our projects are based on the community, so it's been nice to be able to work with people in Thunder Bay. You get to work more one-on-one with people and you get to share your ideas and hear a better perspective from someone else.
Being at the college, you actually got to do things that were hands-on, like hold events. There was competitions that were happening in the school. These were things that I was already doing in my life, but it just kind of had to fine-tune little things here and there for myself so that I can continue to grow.
It's a lot of work, don't get me wrong, but I think it's a lot of fun work. They're putting their learning to work even before they're in the workspace, right? So before they graduate. So I think that's really unique too, because that gives them the confidence when they do graduate that they can go out into the workforce and be like, I've done this. I know what I'm doing.
Going back to school gave me that added confidence that I needed to move to kind of the next level. Being at the college and being in the program really helped me